All right. So guys, we have Rahul with me. And Rahul, can you tell me about yourself and just tell me like if you have any question related to career or anything that you would like to do, right? So yeah, let's get started. All right.
Yeah, my question is little bit on the notice period side. Currently, I'm
Okay.
working in the company. This is MNC, and
Mm-hmm.
they have 3 months of notice period.
Okay.
So I'm willing to switch. So
All right. And about
yeah,
yourself, what you do right now, where you are right now, and
sorry.
how much experience that you have right now. And
I'm currently have 7+ years of experience. After
okay.
4 years in Selenium automation industry.
Okay.
So currently, I'm working in a cognizant company.
Okay. So mostly you have
Yeah, in
worked
a
on the MNC
Selenium.
side, MNC
No,
side, right?
no. This is my first MNC company.
Okay. So before that, you were in a product-based company, is it?
Yes, no, it's a
Okay.
services company, but it's a local company in the Pune based.
Okay. Okay. So, and tell me about your, I mean, are you working in mostly in manual part of it, or are you into automation also? And have you worked on it previously?
Yes, I have worked in Selenium automation part as well, using the BDDS framework.
Okay. Okay.
Currently, I'm working on a Tosca based project.
Okay.
It's currently combined with the manual plus automation.
Okay. Okay. So, I mean,
But
there are a couple of, okay, got it. Tell
yeah,
me, tell me.
my experience was in Selenium automation, so I
Okay.
want to switch to that on that technology.
So you want to go back to the same one, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, I mean, just let me know, just wanted to ask, like, what was the reason that you switched to Cognizant? Means, do you have an idea, like they will work on Tosca or probably not in the Selenium? Or is it like
No, no,
you, okay.
no, no.
Okay. So you got surprised or something, right? That they are
Yes.
working with it. That happens with MNCs. It happens. Right? So this is
Yeah.
very common. I mean, when I started, right? When I started with one of the MNC right now, it's very big MNC right now. So they will just put you into some project which you don't like, right? It happens
Yeah.
many times, right, Rahul? So same things. So I think now whatever. So with almost like you have experience in Selenium, right? So
Yeah.
what I think is, to be honest, right now market is hot. What basically means, uh, I am taking interviews. Like I have taken more than 300 plus interviews, and right now I'm taking interview also. I'm working as a lead, right? So as a manager almost. So I'm continuously hiring new people. So what I have seen is people have almost like every second person have a 2+2 offers right now. To be honest, right? So I think it's a right opportunity. And how much you have experience in Cognizant? When did you join Cognizant?
Last year in June.
Last year. So almost 1 year, right? You have finished,
Yeah.
right? So
Yes.
if you so again, it's up to again the tool which you guys are using, right? Tosca and other things, right? So if you move, I mean, I'm not gonna judge like how it is the means how better is a Tosca or whatever it is, right? But if you want to switch to go back to the one, right? I think what you need to do is you need to start looking right now. This is really important. And if you have an experience of 3 months, right, this will be a blocker for you. This will be a blocker for you because right now with 7 years of experience right now you have, right? Nobody will
Yeah.
wait you. Nobody will wait for 3 months. It's really difficult time for anyone. So
Yes.
if you try to jump to an MNC, probably they will consider, but product-based companies or startup, 3 months notice period is very big for them, to be honest. And a senior people like you who is joining with the 3 months of experience, people wait. Trust me, people wait, but you will find there are a couple of challenges also. I mean, if suppose 10 proposals are coming towards you, right? With 3 months of experience, when they go to know about it, you have 3 months of notice period, right? Out of which I think 2 or 3 or more than 4 will just back out because of the 3 months, right? I think you have noticed this thing, right? Same.
Yes. Yes. That's why I'm facing this.
Okay. So what I would suggest is don't lose hope. Trust me, you will be able to definitely, but whatever the offers that you are getting, right? The people who are ready to basically wait for you for 2 months or 3 months, right? You have to keep on applying. Again, since you have already worked on the product-based companies, you can start trying it. And there is an option of buyout. Have you tried it?
Mhm.
So
No,
I
no,
think
no.
you should start discussing about it. couple of so I mean, I had almost like 2 or 3 times buyout. What exactly is a buyout is you have a 3 months of experience, 3 months of notice period. So sorry, right?
Yeah.
So suppose you want to join, so you but suppose the next company want to hire you, right? So they will pay the 2 months of salary, whatever it is, right, to the previous company. They will adjust your 2 months, and in 1 month you can join the another company. Make sense? Within
Yeah.
1 month you can join the company, but the 2 months gap, whichever is there, right, they will basically take care of it. They will just buy you as a uh, I mean, they will just give you the whatever the amount is there, right? They will just buy out and they will
Yeah.
handle backendly. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You just have to tell the HR who's hiring next one. Do you have buyouts? Most of the time, I mean, out of 10, 9 companies have buyouts in product-based company that I have seen. MNCs, I'm not sure, but even MNCs have buyouts. So again, what you need to do is you need to find, first of all, the process that generally I will follow here is, I'll tell you my process. My process will be very simple. Prepare an Excel sheet, prepare the number of company where I'm applying, discuss with the HR, have a status, like what is the status right now, and notice period. Discuss, the first thing you need to discuss is notice period. I have a 3 months of notice period. Do you have a buyout option or not? If they have yes, it's good to go. Now you need to crack that. That's it. Okay. And out of 10, almost like 8 to 9, you will find out companies will have a buyout. So I think this will be helpful for you. I had almost like 2 times buyout. 2 times
Okay.
buyout I had done it. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You will not lose a single penny in your package or anything else. Those companies will take care eventually. Make sense? Clear?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Anything else that you'd like to discuss? So I think you should target product-based companies. Also, MNCs also. Again, it's up to you where you want to go. But my suggestion will be always, since you have already worked on product-based companies, switch to product-based company. It's a right time because lots of product-based companies are continuously hiring right now, and they are hiring in a very speedy manner. Speedy manner basically means even in my company also people are skipping couple of interviews. So because we have a lots of project that we need to deliver, right? And I have told you in the initial interview, initially also, right? People have almost 2 to 3 offers side by side. So yes, you can do it, and I think it's a right time. After 1 year, you can definitely give it a try. Okay, so start with the Excel sheet, prepare well, give them an option of a buyout, and your 3 month notice period will be handled. I think that will take care of it. And there are multiple ways also. I think we'll get to know more about it. People will definitely comment, and whatever the solution they have, probably people can help you in the comment section also. All right. Anything else that you would like to discuss, Rahul?
As this much of years experience, I'm just trying to take a next my role as an Excel means for the tech lead or
Okay.
anything
Yeah.
senior position.
Right.
So
Yes.
what skill I have to add?
Okay. So, okay, let me ask you in a way this way. With 7 years experience, right? Almost 7 years
Yeah.
experience, right? Okay.
Yes.
Are you comfortable in manual testing?
Yes.
Okay. What about the automation?
I'm good. Near about 4+ years
Have
of
you worked
experience.
on the projects? Have you created a project from scratch?
Yes.
Okay. And what about API testing? You're comfortable in API testing? Have you worked with RestAssured, Postman, or any
No,
other
I'm comfortable with the manual API testing. I'm learning
manual API
the
testing
rest.
part?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
learning the API automation with the rest.
Okay. So I think with 7 years experience, no, Rahul. So what expected from you? Okay, let's discuss about the expectation from a 7+ years experience. People like you. Okay. First of all, they should be well aware about the manual testing process. You should know test planning, designing, and such. So after 7 years, people will assign you couple of folks under you, right? You will
Yes.
be like leading them or managing them, right? So they will ask you a question related to manual testing, where how do I design it? How do I create a test cases? What should we add in the bug report and all the things? So you should be aware of it, and I think you are aware of it. That I know.
Yeah.
Now, in this automation point of view, people will expect that you should know Selenium part at least and page object pattern, and you should know at least how to create a framework, because now you will join some companies where they will not have any kind of automation. There are two scenarios. Either they will not have any automation scenario, so you need to create from scratch and help your team to basically scale it. Scale it basically mean to run it on a Docker containers or run it on a Jenkins like this. So Jenkins knowledge, again, you need to add as well as Git knowledge. Okay, two things. So another thing will be, or they will expect you that it's already will have a certain kind of automation. Okay, now they will expect you that please scale it and maintain it properly. Scale it and maintain it basically means whatever the new modules are coming, right? You need to add the automation code, help them or help your team mostly now, because you have 7 years experience. So individual contributor will go down a little bit and your manager and tech lead things will come up. Okay, so what I used to do at the time when I was a QA lead, right? I was helping the team. That's it. I mean, the almost a time I was just helping the team, helping in Git basics, automation frameworks, utilities, listeners, all the things, as well as I was doing the individual contributor work also, where I was creating scripts also, as well as doing manual testing. So to be honest, I was working as a full-fledged at the time. So yes, you need to pay attention to your automation, keep on increasing it, add Jenkins, Docker container information, like how you can run it on Docker containers, Selenium grid to your skills, CI/CD, GitHub, right? Knowledge of Maven as well as TestNG. Have a refresher. I mean, prepare a 2 or 3 months of plan and keep learning these concepts side by side whenever you are preparing with this. Okay, have it ready with you. And yeah, I think that will be good to go. And make sure you prepare your resume well so that you are getting selected for at least some interviews. Okay, so those things will help. So I think 7 to 8, 9 years, this will be enough. If you are able to lead a team with your knowledge as well as your expertise, right? Then you are good to go. So those things are expected from 7+ years. Make sense? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. All right. Anything else that you would like to discuss? Let me know. It's fine. Totally fine if you have anything else.
No, not right now.
Okay. No, excellent. I hope this conversation helped, right?
Yes, definitely.
All right. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining. And okay, I'll see you around.